We're going down Portobello Market. Have a look around. Yeah, I love it, man.
I always like this area.
Yeah.
Mixed as well, even though it's like really rich, posh people. Yeah, you've obviously got West Indians, you've got a lot of people.
My
friend, everyone just gets on.
Yeah, it's the same everywhere, isn't it? It's like in Wood Green, I never see any problems. Oh yeah.
Oh no, all these people think that people don't get on, but most just get on with it.
No.
They just make a big deal about everything.
No, it's because they got nothing better to do, isn't it? It's
That's true.
Like I saw a clip on TikTok where some girl walking with breasts hanging out, down Whitechapel, to freak out all the Sharia law Muslims, and everybody ignored her, man. No interest, Where you going? Not down here? Yeah.
I'm going to go there next week, actually. Got like an art festival.
Are they?
Yeah. It's all like...
They put big pillars up, didn't they, somewhere? They took them away now, haven't they?
Yeah, you've got these.
Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Huh?
Yeah, it's just portable, isn't it? You know what? It's the carnival, they can just take them away.
Yeah, but there was somewhere they stuck them up overnight, and people complained.
That's when I like just walking around amongst people and people watching.
Yeah.
You
never know what you find. Like today, I found that nice bag.
Exactly,
perfect size, nice quality. 45 quid.
Yeah.
I probably could have got it for 40 if you wanted to haggle.
Yeah, because when my American cousin came over, when was it? I can't remember now. Was it last year? But anyway, I took him down here. He didn't really know it. I took him to Tronic Tower, took him along here. In fact, they're selling old cameras now, old digital cameras for loads of money.
For loads of money, yeah.
Loads of money, yeah, because you know why? Millennials want them. I don't know why, because they're like 2 megapixels. What do you want? Like a 15, 20-year-old Canon camera that was good at the time. I mean, your phone would be a lot better. What do millennials know? Because he really hates millennials this week.
Does he? It's all about Moroccan stuff and bits of this and that.
Yeah. It would probably go past. I think this is
this one here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's all the telephone.
They're all old cameras, but they're like one a load of money. That's the difference.
Yeah.
I mean, 160 for a Canon IX.
Yeah, I know. Well,
I've got a couple of old digital cameras. Maybe I should put them up on eBay, see if
yeah, you should. Do you know, I put up this old Art Deco window. It was up for a year, and nobody bought it. Now I get a person offering me £60 for it. But
was it on eBay?
Yeah, but now I have to take it off eBay because the guy who was looking after it for me, who went to renovate his house, has told me, do you want it? I goes, no, get rid of it. Now I could sell it. Do you know? You just wait. It's waiting. You don't have to wait a year, isn't it? What have we got in here?
I mean, they work close. I have one too. Yeah. It's really cute. Right. What's coming up? Right. Okay.
With kitchens for first homes and forever homes too. Visit Wix today.
We can go in here?
Yeah, might as well.
You never know, do you? Fair fancy shoes for you, Steve? It's good, isn't it? Yeah, remember that. I'll ask you fellow.
You know?
How much?
Because I think you're meant to be
£45. Mm. Is it on paper? Is it or on?
Yes, that's a minute. It's been screen printed. It's all right.
Yeah. See, look, £45 for that poster, £45 for that bag. You know,
Yeah.
it's too expensive, really.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
But you know, that's the going price, isn't it? You must know it's a market, isn't it?
All this stuff goes for a lot of money.
Well,
All this stuff.
how much is it? I can't see because. What's that?
Quite cheap,
30 quid, is it? How much does that take? 50?
30, yeah.
That's what your mum used to have on her
I've
sideboard.
still got some of that stuff in my phone. I should really just sell it. I did check something on eBay. It's not a complete set of dinner plates and that.
Sorry?
It's worth quite a bit of money. I've got some dinner plates that are awful. You know the sort of shit your mum had.
Yeah.
Never had like flowers. It's actually worth money.
Yeah, I say you put it
I've got
all
loads
on.
of stuff I want to sell.
Stick it on eBay. I say,
Yeah, I
I'll just
will
give you
do
an
it.
example. 1 year, and then 1 year later, you know, it don't cost nothing unless you sell it.
Well, now you don't charge any fees, does it?
No, they just want you to get on there. I
I
do
used
it.
to make like a small living from the vinyl, but because of Brexit, it's so to send it to Europe. No one's interested anymore.
Yeah.
I still sell stuff, but some of Americans buy the stuff, or even South Americans, because they've always had to pay customs.
You know, I signed up to Amazon. It took me ages
Yeah, right.
to confirm my even my card blocked in the process trying to. Well, you got to do it on a computer. Do you know? Well, I actually did my iPad on the end, but so I kept failing. You know, I finally got it now, but you got to put your UTR number in and all of this.
Yeah.
So I haven't actually done anything yet, but I'm going to use it when I am successful.
Yeah.
And then I can export stuff from Sri Lanka to the eBay to Amazon warehouse. Do you get what I mean? It's a good idea.
Yeah, I met a really interesting guy a couple of months ago. He's a film producer and writer. He had his own company, but now he's on his own, and he works in Somerset House. He's got like a co-working space. Anyway, he said he's become an official Amazon reviewer. Right, and he says he gets sent loads of stuff through him.
To review, yeah.
He sells all of it, like, or most of it. He goes, I've got 8 of these and this and that. I said, how'd you get into that? He goes, well, I used to post a lot of reviews anyway, or stuff I actually bought. I just contacted him out of the blue. I can't remember what it's called now. It's Amazon something. He goes, oh, it's quite a good fucking sideline.
Yeah. We got to remain in the thing though, because I want to look at the idea to look at what they're selling. You know. Look at that.
Something like
That's too tight.
Yes.
Saturday's the busiest day on most traders, and at the moment we have open 7 days a week. So yeah, there's some traders on Sunday.
Yeah.
I'll make sure it's over there.
Is it pop in and see him? I'm just taking the people down. You know, this is a test. It's no problem. But when I come down here on my own, I'll come down. Do you get what I mean? It won't be talking. I'll be just saying, "Oh, this is." But this is just to see. But to be honest, so far I haven't seen anything that's caught me. But it is what it is, isn't it? You know, this is the Westway, isn't it? Remember we used to come here and listen to the music. They used to have reggae DJs. Yeah. Lots of restaurants. What's this one? Let's go to the vintage one. Yeah.